Hello my friends, this is Hot Pot Bob here back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make pepper steak pizza. Yes, you heard that right. Pepper steak pizza. This pizza is packed with flavor that is rich and complex. I will not only show you how simple it is to make the pepper steak topping, but also an easy recipe on the dough. If you're ready to get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. Let's go! Here I have a 10-ounce sirloin steak. Just about any type of steak will do. I prefer the sirloin as it has a decent price point and isn't too tough. I will slice this thinner and into smaller pieces than I would for a regular pepper steak as it's for our pizza. Next, I'm going to rinse about 1 tablespoon of fermented black beans and then chop it up a little to maximize the flavor. Fermented black beans are salty and savory. You can get these at any Asian grocery store. And now to marinate the beef. I'm going to combine 1 tablespoon of minced fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon of the chopped black beans, about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, one teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, try to get the low sodium kind, and 1 teaspoon of pure sesame oil. Now mix it up well with the sliced steak and put on the side for about 30 minutes or so to let the flavors absorb into the meat. Super simple so far, right? While the beef is marinating, I'm going to go ahead and dice up about half a white onion and then half a green pepper. Dice it up pretty finely, and that is pretty much it for the veggies. I'm going to also dice up some tomatoes a little bit later on. Now for the fun part, making the pizza dough. This recipe is actually super simple. Don't blink, you may miss it. Simply pour in 2 cups or so of flour into a mixing bowl. Then we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of sugar. And then 2 teaspoons of yeast. Make sure to use the fast rising pizza yeast. It is very simple to use. You don't have to wait quite a bit of while for the yeast to start doing its thing. I use the Fleischmann's pizza crust yeast. As you can see on the label, fast and easy. Alright, like I said earlier, 2 teaspoons of this. Just pour it in. You don't have to put warm water on the side and wait for it to bubble and all that. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. Grab a whisk and mix the dry ingredients together. Then you're going to pour in about 2/3 cup of warm water. Add a little bit more if it's dry and just mix it together. Knead for about 10 minutes. It should be smooth and soft. After you knead it for about 10 minutes or so, let it sit for about an hour to let the dough rise. Also add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. While we're waiting for the dough to rise, now it's time to cook the pepper steak. I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Use a high heat, and then throw in the beef. Stir fry together. Add the green pepper and onions. Super duper simple. After about an hour or so, it's now time to prepare the pizza dough. Take a look at how soft and squishy it is. After you knead the dough for about 10 minutes or so, take out your roller and flatten the dough out to make about a 16-inch pizza. Now it's time to take the cooked pepper steak and spread about a third of it throughout the pizza dough. After that is done, I'm going to now layer it with Haverty cheese. If you haven't heard of Haverty cheese before, you are not alone. Haverty cheese is buttery, smooth, and slightly sweet. It's an awesome complement to the rich and intense flavor of the pepper steak. Give this cheese a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. After you spread out the Haverty cheese throughout the pizza dough, next you're going to pour the rest of the pepper steak onto the pizza. Once that is done, I'm going to spread a hefty amount of shredded mozzarella cheese throughout the pizza. Top it off with 2 cups of diced fresh tomatoes. Now it's time to bake your pizza. You can preheat your oven at 450 degrees and bake for about 15 minutes or so. I hope you all enjoy watching this video on how to make pepper steak pizza. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. See you all very soon. Bye.